Hey everyone, Stephen Casey Railfan here, and today I just received something in the mail today that just arrived, and I'm actually looking forward to seeing what I got. This is something I ordered from, I believe, from eBay, so let's see. Yeah, because fortunately I'm just gonna have to use an X-Acto knife because I don't have like any utility knife with me, so I'm just gonna have to open with this. Alright, there we go, got the lid open, and there it is. I have two Walthers freight cars. Both are Walthers Mainline, so with that, let me just put this box out of the way. Now I'll show you what we got. And yeah. Alright. And here it is. Some new hoppers. These are the, let me see, these are the 60-foot NSC 5150 covered hoppers. So I have Canadian Pacific and another one, Canadian Pacific. These are both in the Beaver scheme. Those are actually really cool. One of the coolest paint schemes I've seen on CP freight cars. I'm actually glad I got a few so I can add those to the CP train, because there's a possible chance I could likely do a grain train for CP, because I've been hearing like grain trains have been appearing a lot, like such as like on Mexico sub, and I one time saw a grain train once before, so I thought maybe I should collect more CP stuff because CP runs in Kansas City. So I'm gonna unbox one of them so you can see what they look like. It's just very simple. Just open up like this, pull it out, and you can see there's some tape. There. And then you just lift the plastic off, then you just, as you can see, it's wrapped in some plastic. Just that, and there it is. It's right there. Wow. This is actually very stunning. Let's see. Ooh, wow. Very cool. And then you can zoom in, and then there it is. There's the Beaver logo itself. Absolutely really stunning. Because, you know, I have seen a few of these in person before, and well, I gotta say, these are very nice. Wow. So, I'll set on the tracks for you. See what. Let me just get this out of the way. Wow. Rolls very nice. It's a very nice detailed car, even though it's a Walthers Mainline. It's, you know, it's supposed to be like a budget-friendly line, but it doesn't have much detail-wise on it, because, you know, no see-through walkways, and bay areas are nicely done. And it's got the Protomax couplers and all that. So, yeah. So, there it is. So, that's basically the unboxing of this, of the CP hopper, because I bought two of them. So, I'll definitely add those to the CP train. And then, and all that. So, yeah, I'll definitely be sure I will feature this in more videos, like such as like short model rating videos, or like short run bys, or operating sessions and all that. So yeah, so that's basically what I want to share with you guys, just some new rolling stock, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Bye.